Mathaa manini mbere ya kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kuruguria mihango ya wandikithia wa aikia a kura, atongoria kundu gutiganite mahuthirite muthenya wa Kiumia kuhinyĩrĩria muingi gwitikira kwiyumiria.
Kutaanza ile shughuli ya watu kujiandikisha kwa kuwa wapiga kura, voter registration exercise. Mimi nataka kuomba wanachama wote wa ODM na Wakenya kwa jumla, tafadhali tujitokeze kwa wingi, tujiandikishe kama wapiga kura.
Ritana rĩrĩ rĩhinyĩrĩirio makiria kuri andu ethi aria mahinda kwa mahinda monekete makiyumiria gutetia utongoria uria wikuo, makirwo kuhitukira kura noyo njira ya kuhanda mugambo wao.
And you cannot be a participant without the tool of change. And the tool of change is the voters card. So vijana, tunaomba nyinyi tafadhali. Nyinyi ndio tegemeo la Kenya. All of us are looking upon you to save our country. As we are there to call out Ruto, to say what is wrong, to guide on what should happen, but the real transformation of our country will be done by the Gen Zs through the vote. Please, our children, don't let us down.
Mwena uguo Gachagua no ahinyĩrĩirie a Kenya gĩkĩro gĩa gatagatĩ-inĩ onao metĩkĩra kuoya kura akimaririkania nĩo magwagĩrwo nĩ mũgogo ũrĩa mũnene wa wathani mũru.
I want to talk to the middle class today and tell them, just like we have asked the Gen Zs, the middle class must lead by example. They must go and register as voters and turn out to vote on the voting day. And if they don't, they should not sit by and cry that things are not working in this country.
Ota atongoria andu ethi kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga onao matitigĩtwo na thutha gũtwarithia kambĩini ya kũhinyĩrĩria arunao maumĩre kuoya kura.
Nĩ ithuĩ ta Kirinyaga Young Professionals tũgũkorwo on the front line ya kwĩra youth itũ moe voters card ciao, todo the best revolution can only happen at the ballot.
Chapati Fest tugeretie kumirete nigetha tukenanire twi vamwe. Gikeno kiu nigetha kibote go sprint across nginya mwaka wa 2027 mbeu njithi no moire kura.
Ni undu kura ni turamenya nicio cicepaga rucio rwito na nicio citethagia kuoya utongoria wa bururi. Koguo twina kura ni tukubota go shape the future of our country.
Gavana ni mundu wa iguru, ni gavana wa Kirinyaga ethi no moraini wa mbere go campaignera andu mothe mathi na mbere na ku register matuke voters na ikobena any change kana ringi corrections murenga na gwika mathimeke.
Dr. Rere ni wega tukameraga ati Kenya belongs to them, the nation belongs to them. Na the only thing mageka tikunegena undure mageka nego uigira unene-ini na ku make sure ni matuka voters.
Commission ya IEBC yatongorĩtio nĩ Chairman Erastus Ethekon maratanywo kũrugũria wandĩkithia ũyũ wa aikia a kura kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado Jumatatũ tarĩki 29. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.